Hello everyone, I'm Deepanshu and welcome back to my channel where we break down complex technology topics into simple and actionable steps. Today, I want to share my journey and tips on passing Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam, which is a great point for anyone stepping into the world of cloud computing, especially for beginners. Having spent many years working in Azure, I passed over 30 Microsoft exams, including many associate to professional level certifications. As I joined AWS recently, I charted out my plan to transition my knowledge to a cloud platform that is a pioneer in this industry. To begin with, I picked up AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, not because I was mandated to take it, but I wanted to revisit cloud fundamental concept from the lens of Amazon Web Services. Well, then I took this exam a few days ago and passed it. It took me 1.5 days to study, especially since I am experienced in cloud. This video is about sharing all you need to know about AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam and how to prepare to pass it in 2025. Before I begin, I'm Deepanshu and this channel is dedicated to helping you learn cloud and other resources to help you succeed in IT. Coming back to the topic of the video, key questions we are going to address here are: what is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam and who should take it? We will then talk about exam structure and how should you prepare for it. So before we get to the certification itself, let's just address why should you target AWS certification over any other in the market. AWS is the leading cloud platform powering millions of businesses globally with its vast range of services and solutions. Learning AWS opens doors to countless career opportunities in tech, from cloud engineering to data analytics. The Cloud Practitioner Exam is the perfect entry point into cloud as it provides a fundamental understanding of cloud concepts, purpose of AWS services, security, support, and pricing. This certification validates your knowledge, making it a great way to kickstart your journey in cloud computing. Now, who should take this certification? The AWS Cloud Practitioner is ideal for anyone looking to build foundational knowledge of cloud computing. It's perfect for beginners and even non-technical and line of business roles like sales, marketing, product, or project management. So if you're exploring a career in the cloud or seeking a basic understanding of AWS services, this certification is ideal for you. And for those looking to get much deeper into the cloud, this learning path would be a gateway to more advanced certifications like AWS Solution Architect Associate or Developer Associate, which dive deeper into the specific technical skills. And then from there, you can pursue professional level certifications that validate expertise in designing and managing complex cloud solutions. Additionally, AWS offers specialty certifications for areas like security, machine learning, and data analytics, allowing you to specialize in domains that align with your career goals. By starting with the Cloud Practitioner, you build a good foundation that prepares you for mastering these advanced paths in the AWS ecosystem. Let's break down the structure of this exam and discuss the most effective way to prepare for it. So whether you are a complete beginner or brushing up on cloud fundamentals, this is going to give you some guidance that you can follow. It is designed to test your foundational understanding of AWS services and cloud concepts. It is a 90 minutes exam consisting of 65 multiple choice and multiple response questions. Multiple choice questions where you would be given a question and you will have to choose one correct answer where 3 other options are distractors. On the other side, multiple response questions would have 2 or more correct responses out of the 5 or more response options. Do also note that while there are 65 questions in total, you are only scored against 50. In other words, exam includes 50 unscored questions that do not affect your score. You can't identify which questions are unscored, but AWS uses this mechanism to gather how candidates perform on these questions and may bring them as scored questions sometime in future. Now, what is the total score of the exam and how much do you need to score to pass? AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam is scored on a total of 1000 marks with a minimum passing score of 700. Now, while 700 is a benchmark, it is always a good idea to aim well above this to build confidence and ensure you are thoroughly prepared. Scoring higher not only indicates a deeper understanding, but also sets you up for tackling more advanced AWS certifications in the future. Now, in terms of the structure of the exam, it is divided into 4 main domains, each focusing on a critical area of AWS knowledge. The first domain, Cloud Concepts, accounts for around 24% of the exam and covers the fundamental principles of cloud computing like scalability, elasticity, agility, and various values of the cloud. Second domain, Security and Compliance, is about 30% of the exam and emphasizes understanding the AWS shared responsibility model, basic security best practices, and how AWS ensures compliance. The third domain is Cloud Technology and Services that makes up to the largest portion of the exam at 34%, and it focuses on key AWS services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and many more, and how they solve real-world problems. Finally, the Billing and Pricing domain covers around 12% of the exam and ensures that you understand AWS's cost management tools, pricing models, and the benefits of the free tier. So together, these domains provide a well-rounded evaluation of your ability to navigate the AWS ecosystem. Now, how do you prepare for this exam effectively? So let's talk about 4 key points that I believe are the most important ones for you as you go about preparing for this exam. Number 1, you have to review official exam guide. The official exam guide for AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is an essential resource for candidates. It provides a detailed breakdown of the exam domains, including the percentage weightage for each section, helping you prioritize your study efforts. Additionally, it lists the key topics and objectives you need to master, ensuring you stay focused on what matters most. By aligning your preparation with the guide, you can approach the exam with confidence and more clarity. Number 2 is AWS Skill Builder. Skill Builder is a fantastic platform that offers a wide range of free resources to prepare for AWS Cloud Practitioner and many other certifications. It includes free digital training courses, hands-on labs, and practice questions specifically designed to help you understand cloud concepts, cloud services, and best practices. For beginners, the Cloud Practitioner Essential course is highly recommended. It's about 7 hours long course and covers all key exam topics in an easy to follow format. And best of all, it's free and accessible to anyone looking to start their AWS journey. And now number 3, AWS Documentation. AWS Documentation is a goldmine for understanding the core concepts and services covered in Cloud Practitioner Exam and even beyond. Although it offers in-depth explanations, use cases, and best practices for every AWS service, I would advise consuming some of the content from here at a high level, and it helps you to broaden your perspective. Exploring the documentation will ensure that you grasp the practical applications of AWS beyond just passing the exam. And finally, you can also choose to learn with me. I'm excited to share that I'll be creating content specifically designed to help you learn AWS Cloud Technology, including Cloud Practitioner course. Together, we will cover the focus areas of this exam in great detail, including key topics, study strategies, and tips to ace the exam. So if you would like to, follow along and stay tuned. And here are some of my final tips as you're preparing for this exam. Number 1, stay consistent. Consistency is key when preparing for AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam as you are just getting started. Dedicating even 30 minutes to an hour daily to study and practice can significantly outperform last-minute cramming. So break your preparation into manageable chunks and stick to the routine. It will help you retain information better and reduce stress. Next, remember to take breaks. Cloud concepts can feel overwhelming at times, especially when diving into unfamiliar topics like billing models or shared responsibilities and support models. Stepping away to recharge not only prevents burnout but also helps you return with a fresh perspective every time. And finally, stay focused, curious throughout your learning journey. Don't memorize concepts, explore how AWS services can solve real-world problems. This curiosity will not only make studying more engaging, but also lay a strong foundation for your next steps in cloud computing. The AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam isn't just about passing a test. It's about laying the groundwork for your cloud journey. And with a clear structure and the right preparation strategy, you will not only ace the exam, but also feel ready to tackle more advanced certifications down the road. So let us keep building that cloud expertise, and I wish you all the very best in your cloud journey.